In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Klarna tutorial for Klarna Pay later payment plans, 5 minutes. We'll walk through getting set up, making a purchase, choosing the right plan, and managing everything inside the app so you feel confident from start to finish. First, download the Klarna app on your mobile device. Open it and create your account by entering your basic details and linking a debit or credit card. Klarna may verify your identity and run a quick eligibility check, which helps determine your spending limit. Make sure you're on a secure network and double check that your billing information matches your bank to avoid verification delays. Once you're in, use the app's built-in search to find retailers. You can browse featured stores or type a brand into the search bar, then shop as you normally would. Add items to your cart and review the total, including shipping and taxes. It's a good idea to confirm the store ships to your location and to check the return policy in case you need to send something back. At checkout, choose Klarna as your payment method. If the retailer supports Klarna natively, the Pay in 4 option usually appears right away. If not, the app can generate a one-time virtual card that you copy into the store's card field. This card works like a regular card but charges through Klarna on your selected plan. Keep an eye on the purchase limit shown in the app to ensure your total is approved. Next, select your payment plan. Pay in 4 splits your total into 4 interest-free installments when paid on time, typically every 2 weeks. If you need more time, financing offers longer terms and may include interest depending on your offer. Review the schedule, due dates, and any potential costs before you confirm. Choosing a plan that fits your budget helps you avoid late fees and ensures a smoother experience. After your order is placed, head to the Purchases tab in the app. This is your command center. You can view your payment schedule, turn on reminders, pay early to reduce what's left, and track deliveries and returns. If you initiate a return with the retailer, mark it in Klarna so your plan pauses or adjusts once the refund is processed. Finally, if you're planning a specific purchase in advance, go to the Wallet tab and select Plan a Purchase. Enter the total amount and confirm. Klarna will set up a pay later plan for that transaction and provide a single-use card if needed, along with a clear timeline of payments. That's it, simple, clear, and under your control.